Sup guys, welcome back. So it's been a while, but got some snow here now. Got a couple of trucks with me, one of these small scale bashers as well as a WPL. So I'm going to try to get some cool still shots of this. HPX High Boxing wanted some winter photos. They said they don't have any photos of this in snow, so I'll try to manage to fix that for them. Because we got some snow here now. It's really cold. I'm not the biggest fan of using bashers when it's this cold because they break like immediately. I'm trying to get some cool still photos. The sun is setting, so I think I can get some cool shots over there. And I've got a WPL with me. See how it performs in the snow. Or if it's even possible, because it's quite a lot of snow. And it's like frozen hard snow, so we'll see. Well, I'll start off with this, and yeah, hope you enjoy the winter video. So I'm using my DJI action cam now. A little worse mic, but it takes really nice 4K videos. And here we got the HPX. My kid's driving. It's a beautiful afternoon out here in super cold Sweden. Get a pretty nice line up here on the whoa. Crash. Dude, back off. If you get stuck down there, you'll have to get it yourself. You can see it actually handles the snow quite nice. Whoa, got stuck in snow. The snow is actually quite deep once you get out in the terrain. Ooh, back it up. Nice. So, back to the WPL. You can see that this is by far the best stock RTR from WPL in my opinion. I've done some videos with this where I've upgraded the suspension and switched to metal rims, but now it's fully stock. It's really cold. It's like negative 14 Celsius right now. See if we can lift down this. Okay, so apparently that's the police according to my kid here. So it's some sort of police chase going on here right now. Nah. I think the crook in this case is a better driver, so even though it's a slower track, I can get away. Yeah. So let's see if we can climb up this wall of snow here. Whoa. Close call. Nah, no good. So I'll give it another try in low gear. Let's find a good spot. And batteries, if you will. Now, I think let's switch over to high gear. 4 feet. No. Yeah, a little bump. Got stuck. Yeah, I think I lost. Yeah. Lost rear wheel drive here. Not sure I can fix that. So cool. Probably just snap this right off. So, I made a switch with my kids. Now I'm driving the Basher. This is entry level. Decent speed. It's a fun little truck. Fairly cheap if I remember correctly, like 60 or 70 US dollars. I'll leave a link for this in the description down below as well. It actually handles snow pretty good. Decent grip on the tires. Nice little skid. Pure front wheel drive in this condition or on these roads, not the best. So yeah, that's about it for this video as far as it goes for run footage. It's still driving around a little bit there, but the sun is setting and it's really cold. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. A while since I last posted, so I just wanted to get something out. And yeah, I really appreciate the support, so I'll see you soon.